Hello everyone, my name is Vitor Nedev, and this is my project for the Agent Orcestrator hackathon. My project is basically an extension which connects to an AI, and this extension help you understand some things in the website. For example, if there is a diagram or if there is a hard to read text which you can't understand. And I create Lucid, which is the name of the extension. And here you can see there are many different agents that runs and work for my project. Here is the agent for the demo fixtures, the foundation, the design system, the explain charts in the website, the reading one, the simplifier, and the form voice. Here's you can see is the orchestrator that command of different agents, and here are the works that they do. I really find it really amazing how the orchestrator run commands to every other agents, and I think it's pretty cool, and I will try it as soon as possible to another project because I really like it. And so this is the whole process of how I made it using Agent Orchestrator. And now let's see the actual prototype. Firstly, because it's a browser extension, I will use Chrome, and you need to add this extension to your Chrome account. Here is in Bulgarian, but it's basically the same, but in another language to you. When you go to this link, you can unpack the unpack extension. So you go to the folder named dist, and you open this folder. When you open the folder, firstly let's remove it. So when you open this folder, you go to the Lucid settings, the extension settings, where you select a provider. For now is Gemini or Code. Let's use Gemini for the demo. You can use any model, and here are different settings for the default point language, speech rate, the voice. Here are many other voice you can use some voice not only in English but also in Spanish or French or many others. Let's use this voice for example. And here are all the different settings for appearance, and here you can test the connections, and here are the keyboard shortcuts, which is very useful. This is the demo page that I created using Agent Orchestrator. One of the agents worked on this page. Here you can see the demo features work entirely on this page to be more easier to show the demo video. And now when I, for example, click Alt, Shift and R, you can see it starts. I can click the space, and now it starts reading
2025 Annual Water Quality Report.
and speed it.
Harbor Bay draws its water from the Calder Reservoir and from 4 groundwater wells in the
We
Eastfield
can
Aquifer.
change to the next
Over
sentence.
2020, one did not, and almost over
We
2025
can
we collected 3,184
adjust the
samples and
text
tested them for 91 separate
and other
contaminants.
settings
Almost
like
everything we
if
measured
we
sat
want
well
to.
inside federal and state.
There are also other settings if we want to be in dark mode or the shift to be different. So you can change it like here. You can add it to understand links or images. and many other things. Like here you can select the voice again, and here is next to you, which I find really amazing. You can play with all the other settings and help you to understand more efficiently what the web page is. It's also in use for people with disabilities. It's hard when someone have ADHD or is diagnosed with autism to understand something in the website. So I think with this extension, it's more capable for them to understand and to look at what exactly contains. It has a reading mode which reads all the text like you saw. It has explain when you mark some words, it can explain it for you. Uh, that's this, but I think I run out of tokens. Yeah. So you can add your API key and it just works for you. And basically, this is the whole project. You can see you can test it yourself and find many different opportunities. And basically, this is the whole project and the end of this demo video. And I hope you like it.